Alright guys, welcome back to your very next lesson, and today we're going to show you actually how to control that cue ball just a little bit. We won't get into the English part of it just yet, but we're going to show you how to roll it forward, how to stop it, how to do a little left and right, and then we'll get into it. But let me show you right now by looking at the diagram here. Now, looking at the diagram, there's the center, the top, the bottom, the right, and the left. Alright, if you want to just stop the ball right where the cue ball, where it is, you hit it right dead center in the middle, as I'll show you right here. Now, the cue ball will stop about where that 2 is. If I hit it just right in the middle, and you can see the cue ball just stopped right there. Alright? Now, if we hit it in the top part of the ball, right about there, we don't want to go to the extremes of way to the top or way to the bottom or either side. But you want to go about halfway between the center and the top, about right here. And what that does is that causes that ball to roll forward. So let me show you that. By doing the same thing here, only I'm going to shoot just a little bit top of this ball, and you can watch, see how the ball rolls forward. That causes that cue ball. And at the harder you hit it, the more that it will roll. Alright? Now, on the other hand, if you put it down below right here, you're either going to come back a little bit, or you're going to just stop it, depending on how you hit. Now, rolling it backwards is a little more difficult. So let's try that. We've got to get it down here. And you did see it roll back just a little bit. And of course, it all depends on how you hit it. Of course, you got to chalk. Use chalk. Chalk it up real good. Let's see if we can get it to roll back just a little bit more than this time here. Like that. See, it rolled backwards. All right. Now, we're going to do it just the opposite way. We'll hit over here on the right-hand side, about right there, alright? And let's see what happens to the ball then. Alright. And you notice the ball kicked off to the right. Alright, and then we'll do just the opposite. And according to that, if we shoot over here, the ball should shoot a little bit to the left. So let's try that. It did a little bit, but not as much as we want to. Got to remember to chalk up. And what that does is give you a good connection with the cue ball. There we go, see? And that's how you do that. So remember, hitting it near the top makes the ball roll forward. Hitting in the middle makes it stop. Hitting near the bottom makes it come back. To the right, the ball goes to the right. To the left, the cue ball goes to the left. And that's what you have to remember when you're shooting a shot, because you want to be able to control your cue ball, and you want to know where it's going to go for your next shot. Okay? Now, let me set up for your next practice round, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's another drill I want you to do. You can do this as often as you want to. The more you do it, the better off you'll be. What I want you to do is shoot each one of these balls. Shoot these first 4 balls. You put 8 of them in a row. Shoot the 4 balls directly into that pocket. These 4 balls directly into that pocket. And then what you do is you alternate. You shoot these 4 into that pocket, and these 4 into that pocket, like this. like that. That's the first section. And now here's the other half. It doesn't matter which balls you take first, but these 4 go in that corner pocket, and those 4 go into this corner pocket. And you can start either in or in the middle or wherever you want to start. I like to start in the ends. You don't have to shoot as fast as I am. You can slow down and just take your time. And that is how you do that exercise. And again, do that. It's all same amount of time as you do the other exercises. And by next week, you should be able to shoot. And then we'll start shooting a little bit different drills using both balls, the cue ball and your numbered balls. So thank you, and we'll see you next week. Hi everyone, how are you? Wandering Wesley here. Just want to say thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. And while you're down there, give us a little subscribe and get some updates. We got some pretty good videos out there. So once again, thanks a lot. We'll catch you next time. Thank you.